Ever wonder about the origins of modern management theory? Who set the wheels in motion? The answer to that question takes us back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries to a man named Frederick W. Taylor. He developed an approach known as Taylorism, or scientific management, which fundamentally changed the way industries operated. Taylorism revolves around several key principles. The first is the standardization of work. Taylor proposed that identifying the most efficient way to complete a task and implementing this standard across the board would eliminate inconsistencies and boost productivity. The second principle is the scientific selection and training of workers. Taylor asserted that matching workers with tasks suited to their abilities like pieces in a puzzle would result in a more efficient workflow. Next, Taylor introduced the idea of division of labor. He believed in breaking down complex tasks into smaller, specialized ones, allowing each worker to become highly skilled in their specific task and ultimately increasing productivity. Taylor then incorporated time and motion studies into his management theory. He sought to analyze and measure each element of a worker's job to determine the most efficient way to perform each task and set time standards for its completion. Moving on, Taylor shifted the paradigm of worker compensation with the introduction of the piece rate payment system. This principle was simple. Workers would be paid based on the number of units they produced, providing a direct financial incentive for increased productivity. Close supervision of workers was another cornerstone of Taylor's theory. He believed that managers should closely monitor employees to ensure they followed standardized methods and met performance standards. But what are the relationship between workers and management? Taylor argued for a cooperative relationship, believing that adherence to scientific principles would benefit both parties through increased productivity and higher wages. Taylor didn't stop there, though. He proposed the concept of functional foremanship, where different supervisors would oversee different aspects of an employee's work. This aimed at maximizing expertise and efficiency in supervision. Finally, Taylor advocated for performance-based incentives and bonuses to motivate workers to achieve higher levels of productivity, in addition to their piece rate pay. In conclusion, Taylorism offered a revolutionary approach to management. It emphasized efficiency, productivity, and the use of scientific methods in the workplace. However, while it did drive significant improvements in industrial efficiency, it also faced criticism for often leading to worker dissatisfaction and a focus on quantity over quality. Despite these criticisms, it's undeniable that Taylorism has had a profound and lasting impact on modern management practices. It paved the way for the development of industrial engineering and management as we know it today, underscoring the importance of efficiency, standardization, and a scientific approach to problem solving. So, the next time you clock in at work, remember Frederick W. Taylor and his significant contributions to the field of management.